So here's how to remove video audio in Invideo. Also, click on the link down in the description if you want to try Invideo for free. First of all, open up your browser. After that, click on the search bar and search for invideo.io, or just click on the link in the description. After that, log into your account and click on Stock Media on your dashboard. Now from the available options, select whichever video you like. After that, click on Add to Project. Now just select whichever dimension you like. After you're done selecting, your video will open up. And here, as you can see, there are two layers, one for the video and the other for the audio. So just click on the audio and then click on Delete on the top right corner. That way, the audio from your video will be removed. It is as simple as that. Don't forget to click on the link down in the description if you want to try Invideo for free. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.